Hello everybody, this is Karen. So today my husband will help me do this driftwood and slate for orchid mounts. So this driftwood was collected from the river and this slate was collected from the creek nearby. Hello everybody, so today I am here collecting slates. Oh, I hope there's no snow. Oh wow. And this is what we did. You can see the two screws in there. It's flathead. Then we screw this down to kind of keep it stable, so it's not gonna tip over. And okay, so I'm gonna be using this for my orchid mounts. And I love using driftwood because they last longer than the ordinary wood, and they're also beautiful. Okay, so this is the driftwood that I will be using for the next one, and there's stones embedded in this one, and also this is the slate, and we'll be using 1.5 inch stainless flathead screws, 3/8 drill bits, 1/4 inch drill bit, and 8-inch wood bits, and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark where the base of the wood touches the slate, so kind of give us an idea where to put the drill. So right here and there. Okay, so here is the finished project. So I can put 2 orchids in this driftwood right here, and it is very sturdy, very heavy. So that's the 2 screws that we put in there, and there it is. So these are my finished project, my driftwood mounted to the piece of slate. So the driftwood and the plate that I collected, so they're all free. So you can see the bottom here, that's the flathead screw that my husband put in there to kind of anchor them together, and it's very sturdy, so it's not gonna tip over. with driftwood, you can use them like lay flat like that for orchid mounts, but I prefer them to the driftwood to stand like this, because it's like an art, it's a nature's work of art, driftwood, and then at the same time putting the orchids in there. So that's 3, and I have more driftwood that I have to prep, but these are the 3 that's already done. And thank you for watching.